What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro CHF, Euro AUD, and EURCAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in these Euro pairs. Now it looks like that this pairs is giving us a nice trading opportunity. Let's find out how we can trade this instrument. Starting with Euro CHF. First of all, let's look at the lower time frame on the 4 hour. We see a trading opportunity. Now before we discuss it, let's jump onto higher time frame to see the directional bias in the market, and then we'll come back to lower time frame to see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now starting with monthly time frame. Why monthly? Because monthly will give you a clear direction in the market. Now euro chf, if you look at the bigger picture, it is strongly bearish market. There's no doubt about it. It's every month the price was creating a series of lower high and lower low. So when you see a market such an strongly uptrend, you can expect it to continue to further down. So with that being said, euro chf overall bearish. Now if you look at the recent candlestick pattern this current month, we saw very strong bullish momentum. Now at this point the price is residing in this important level of resistance. If you see that, if you extend this monthly zone, what you see that you see there is a long weak bearish engulfer in this zone. There is a lot of sellers, and at the same time if you look at the past, this level also can act as a strong level of resistance for this move to the upside. So with that being said, as usual, when the price came to this zone, we saw that strong selling happen, and we can expect the price to go further down, as this is a very strongly monthly bearish zone. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly, as you have seen that this week the price is creating a dodgy pattern. Still the price is not closed, but looks like that the sellers trying to push the price down after this testing of this important level of liquidity zone. This is a very strong liquidity zone. There is a lot of dodges here. A lot of stop loss has been hunted from this zone. Let's draw a level, and this level really an important area of value, and we can consider a very strong selling zone from this area, as the market is overextended to the upside, tested this important zone. Now we can expect euro chf to drop down. Going down to the daily time frame. Now daily as well, we have seen that as expected on the daily time frame, after the overextension, now the market is breaking down. As you see, the past day there has been a nice doji is formed. It's now established downtrend on the lower time frame as well as on the higher time frame, and we can expect euro chf simply come down and continue to drop. Now going down to the 4 hour time frame, how we can find a trading opportunity, keeping all this level except, let's delete this one. And what we see now, if you look at the price action pattern, this is an absolutely bearish price action pattern. As you can see that there is a previous support here on the 4 hour tested as a resistance. There is a 20 period moving average, and also if you look at this gray zone is where we see that weekly doji and current 4 hour candle. You see that this one is now looks like that it is closing as a bearish engulfer. Now at the same time we saw a strong bearish engulfer formed here as well. So double bearish engulfer is being formed in this important level of resistance. And also on the 4 hour time frame, what you see that there has been a consolidation. The price was moving along this zone, creating a series of lower high and lower low, broke down, tested this previous support as a resistance, now again creating a downward momentum. All these factors is helping us to decide that euro chf is likely to drop. Now at the same time we might see a doji here completing a head and shoulder on the 4 hour time frame, and then we might see that euro chf is melting to the downside. So our approach will be is to wait for a doji to be formed to complete the rules of our strategies. As soon as we will find proper entry, we will consider shorting euro chf from the zone with a high risk to reward ratio. Smash the like button if you like this analysis. Now go back to the euro aud. Let's see what it is doing. Now euro aud, while euro chf is dropping, euro aud is creating dodges, and I think that euro aud will do the same as euro chf will drop from here. But the only thing is that we need to look at how aud is doing. But my pick is euro chf rather than euro aud. So what we will be doing with euro aud, if we see that euro aud broke this level of support on the 4 hour time frame, there is a support here with this doji. If it creates a double doji, breaking to the downside, in that case only we will consider shorting euro aud. Otherwise we will stay sideline on euro aud. Now let's find out EURCAD. Now EURCAD, the important area of value is this one. This is the 4 hour time frame, like the euro chf. The only thing is that on EURCAD, the area of value is a little bit to the upside. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame, we saw that the same thing as euro chf, the price has created this channel and then broke to the downside. Again it has created another consolidation pattern on the lower time frame. And now what I am expecting, that EURCAD will go up, test this channel, bottom of this channel, support here, testing as a resistance, probably testing this 20 period moving average from this zone, as there is an important area of value, creating a bearish price action pattern. As soon as we will find this opportunity, then we'll consider going short with euro cad. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.